Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see about Python data type. In this simple program, we are going to demonstrate Python 4 data types. The first one is integer data type. Integer data type is a numeric data type. It is whole numbers which has positive, negative and zero. No fractions or decimal points. Consists of only positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. There are no fractions of decimal points. Here you can see I have assigned a 10 to my integer variable. And in this print statement, I'm going to print my variable and what data type it is. So here, type function. It returns what data type my variable is. So in this print statement, I'm going to print integer variable and what data type it is. So output will be 10 and integer. This is going to be my output for this print statement. Okay. Next, we are going to see our second, which is floating point data, float data. This is floating point number. So float data type is nothing but it is also a numeric data type, but with the decimal points. So here you can see I have assigned 10.5 to my float variable. So here in this print statement, I am going to print my float variable and what data type it is. So the output will be 10.5 and float. This is going to be the output of this print statement. So here float data type is only decimal points. That means all the numbers with decimal points will be belonging to float data type. Next, we have string data type. String data type is nothing but sequence of characters. So these can be characters, can be anything. It can be numbers, it can be alphabets, it can be alphanumeric, it can be special characters. So anything represented in between double quotes or single quotes are considered as string. So here this ABC is considered as string. This A is also considered as string. Here 1, 2, 3. So this is considered as string because it is in between single quotes. Here 5 is also considered as string. So these are not integers. These are considered as strings. Why? Because they are in between single quotes or double quotes. So here I have given my string variable hello Python. So what will be the output of this string, this print statement? String variable and type of string. So this this print statement gives the output hello Python and string data type. This will be the output of this print statement. We see more about strings in our future videos. Next we have Boolean data. Boolean data type is nothing but it is either true or false. Nothing but a condition. Can be true condition, can be false. So here in this print statement, I am going to print my Boolean value and type of data type. Again, type function uses the data type. So here the print statement output will be true and data type will be bool. This is going to be our output for this print statement. Next, we have list data type. List data type is collection of elements. To be precise, it is called as ordered collection of elements. So these elements can be anything. It can be any data type. It can be integer data type. It can be float data type. It can be a string. It can also be another list. So the list can accommodate any data type in it as an element. So here you can see I have taken integer data types as a list. So here L is equals to, I can take 1, 2, 3, 4. These are integer data types in the list. I can also take L is equals to 10.5, 11.5, 12.5 float data types. I can also take as a strings. This is all the elements in this list are string data type. I can also take mixed data type. That is, I can take integer, one float, one string, and can also take another list. Here you can see I have taken inside list another list. So this is the main list, and I have taken sublists. So a list can accommodate any data type in it as an element. Next, in this print statement, I can print my list variable and type of the data type. So this output will be, this print statement output will be my list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and type of data type. What is the data type? List data type. This will be my output. Next, we have tuple. Tuple is similar to list. The difference is list elements are represented inside square brackets. These are list elements. And tuple is represented in parentheses. And list is mutable. And tuple is immutable. So what is mutable and immutable? Mutable means changeable. That means I can change the elements inside the list. Once list is declared as 1, 2, 3, 4, I can add elements. I can also remove elements. Here I have removed 3. So list is mutable. Tuple is immutable. That means tuple is immutable. That means once I create a tuple, the elements in the tuple cannot be changed. Not changed. These are fixed. You can declare a new tuple. But the previous tuple which was declared, it cannot be changed using any method. We have list methods to change the elements to modify the list. Like if we want to add, we have append. If we want to remove, we have pop. So these are called as list elements. We will see more about these list elements in our future videos. More about these list methods and how the elements can be removed, how the elements can be added, how two lists can be joined. It is called as concatenate. So concatenate means two lists can be joined. So we will see all this in our future videos. For now, you can see list is represented using square brackets and it is mutable. Tuple is similar to list except it is represented in parentheses and it is immutable. And in this print statement, I can display my tuple and data type. So the output of this print statement will be 10, 20, 30 and tuple. Next, we have set variable. Which is set variable is set data type. So set is also a collection of elements. But the difference is this is unordered. So what is ordered and unordered here? We have talking about list is a ordered collection, list and tuple are ordered collection, set is unordered collection. That means ordered collection can be indexed. Unordered collection cannot be indexed. So we will see about indexing in our next video. Okay. So here set is unordered collection. And it is consists of unique elements. Unique elements. That means there are no duplicates. All the elements inside the set will be unique. There will be no duplicates left. They will be automatically eliminated. Okay. So in this print statement, we are going to print our set variable and data type. So what will be the output for this? The output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see the set are represented with curly braces. And the output will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, our set variable and type will be set. This is going to be my output of print statement. Next we have dictionary. Dictionary works with key value pairs. Key value pair. So here in the dictionary is also represented using curly braces. In this name is called as key and LIC is my value. Age is key and 25 is my value. So here it works as key value pair. So in this print statement, I am going to print my dictionary variable and data type. So what will be the output here? Output will be name, LIC and age 25. And data type will be dict. This is going to be my output of this print statement. Next we have none data type. So none data type is NoneType. It is nothing but Python way of telling there is nothing. There is nothing. That means none represents null value. So here in this print statement, I am going to print my none variable, that is nothing but none, and type. Data type is NoneType. So this is going to be my output of this print statement. So here we have seen all our core data types, core Python data types. Let me brief it. We have talked about integer data type, which is nothing but positive number or negative number or zero. Float data type, which are decimal points, like 10.5. Decimal point numbers. Next, we have seen string. Strings are represented in double quotes or single quotes. Anything represented in between these are considered as strings. Next, we have seen Boolean, which is nothing but true or false. Next, we have seen list, represented in between square brackets, and these are mutable. List is a ordered collection of elements. Tuple. Next, we have seen tuple, represented in parentheses. These are immutable. These are also ordered collection of elements. Next, we have seen set. These are represented in curly braces. These are unordered collection. And it allows only unique elements. No duplicates are allowed. Next, we have seen dictionary. Dictionary is also represented curly braces. It has key value pairs. You can change the elements using keys. Next is none data type. So none data type is nothing but null value. It represents null value. So these are the core data types we have seen in this program. Let us execute this program and see the outputs of our print statements. So I'm going to execute now. Python data types. Now here you can see my outputs. The first print statement output was integer 10 and its data type int. You can see second is 10.5 and float. And third one is string. Hello Python. You can see here hello Python and class is string. That means it's data type. Here Boolean, true value, and data type is Boolean. You can see list represented in square brackets and the data type was list. Tuple represented in parentheses and data type is tuple. You can see here set. This is my set value and data type was set. You can see here dictionary and class is dictionary and this is NoneType. So these are our core Python data types. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. We will see more about strings, list, tuples, set, dictionary in our upcoming videos. So here, let me conclude with a small thing. Here, strings, lists, and tuple are the data types which can be indexed. So we can access the characters of the string and elements of list or tuple using indexing. So how we can access the elements, what is indexing, and how we can access elements of list and tuple, how we can access the characters of a string, we will see in our next video. Okay, so we have discussed about Python core data types in this video. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about strings, list, tuple, and dictionary variables and dictionary data types. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.